Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to verify Cash App account in 2025. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to verify a Cash App account, the most common and recommended method is to simply link a debit card or a bank account. This is because Cash App uses these linked accounts for transactions, and verification helps prevent fraud and ensures that transactions are secured. So you can also enable two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of protection and security. Or you can simply go to your profile and tap on security and privacies. Once you have done this, you can find an option called identity verification. Once you do this, you will need to submit some documents and prove that you are this particular person, and this will allow you to have your identity verified in your Cash App as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many interesting videos like this.